Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss Theorem 1 from circles. Okay. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Actually, what is a point of contact, guys? So point of contact is nothing but the common point of a tangent and a circle is called the point of contact. Okay, this is a circle and this is a tangent. Okay, so the common point of circle and tangent is called the point of contact. Okay, now let's discuss this theorem. So take a circle, draw a tangent. So this tangent meet at a point P. Okay, and OP is the radius. Okay, now first write down what is given in the question. Given that circle with O as center and the tangent xy to a circle at point P. Okay, now we need to prove that OP is perpendicular to xy. That one we need to prove. So to prove this theorem, we need to take some extra steps, guys. Okay, now there is nothing but construction. So take a point, take other point on xy other than P. Okay, we have a point on xy, but take one more point, that is let it be Q. Okay, join OQ. Then what do you observe? We observe that the point Q lies outside the circle. Yes or no? The point Q is lying outside the circle. If Q lies inside the circle, then it becomes the secant case. If Q lies inside the circle, then it becomes the secant. Yes or no? Secant, but not a tangent. Yes or no? Then, when there two students, this OQ line segment is more than OP length. Yes or no? If think that it looks like a right angle triangle, right? So OQ looks like hypotenuse. This is OP is the opposite side and base PQ is the adjacent side, right? So in a right angle triangle, the longest side is hypotenuse, right? So we don't prefer hypotenuse in many cases. Yes or no? So therefore, OQ is greater than OP. Therefore, OQ greater than OP. Now, OP is the shortest distance of the point O. Yes or no? Always the hypotenuse will be the longest side, opposite of hypotenuse will be the opposite side, that will be the shortest distance. Okay. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to the xy, guys. That's it. Since the radius OP is smaller than other two sides or hypotenuse, so we don't prefer hypotenuse, OQ. Okay, and that too the point lying outside the circle, not inside the circle. Okay, that's why we don't prefer point Q. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to XY. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you, students.